Let us understand the concept of division. To begin, I will distribute 4 chocolates equally between Simi and Tina. 1, 2, 1, 2. How many chocolates each one get? Each one of them got 2 chocolates. Let us see another example. There are 6 cherries to be equally shared between Tom and Jane. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many cherries each one get? Wow, each one of them gets 3 cherries. When total number of things are distributed into equal groups, we carry out the operation called division. Did you know division is also called repeated subtraction? Let us learn repeated subtraction with the help of example. I have 8 flowers. I will divide them into groups of 2. So I put 2 flowers in one basket. Now I am left with 6 flowers. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. From the remaining 6 flowers, I put again 2 flowers in the second basket. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. One more time, I put 2 flowers from the remaining 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now I am left with 2 flowers. Lastly, I put the remaining 2 flowers in the basket. Oh, I am left with 0 flowers. When I put 8 flowers into equal groups of 2, I got 4 groups. Here I put the same number repeatedly. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. I showed the example with repeated subtraction. This process of repeated subtraction is called division. We write it as 8, then symbol of division, then 2. Now put the equal to sign, then the number 4. We read it as 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. This is the symbol used to show division. In my next video, we will learn more about division.